Hi everyone, you are watching a video tutorial on Learn IT profession. Here I am going to tell you how to increase the size of logical volume. Okay, first I type a command df space dash h capital T to see the file systems of this virtual machine. Okay, here you see that the file system is extension 4 for all the partitions. Here we have the partitions root, boot, db, app. So we only increase the logical volume partition app. First step is to verify how many hard drive is already added in this VM. So type the command fdisk space dash l. Okay, here you see that we only have one drive, that is SDA. Okay, that size almost 8 GB. Okay, so first I add the hard drive with a size just 2 GB. For that, go to the VM settings and add the hard drive. Here I am taking a size of hard drive is only 2 GB. Store the virtual disk as a single file. Okay, now the hard drive is add. Type the command fdisk space dash l again. Okay, just reboot it. The hard drive will be available. Init space 6. The VM is rebooting. Okay, the VM has rebooted. Take a putty session again by restart the session. Okay, user root, type the password of root. Type the command clear. To verify the hard drive is add, type the command fdisk space dash l. Here you see that our size of 2 GB hard drive SDB is added. So we start the process to increase the volume of logical volume app. That one. Okay. Okay. I just resume the video for take a note only. Okay, continue. Here we already verify the hard drive partition name is SDB. Okay, so for that I've just type a command. I have already write on a note, so I've just copy and paste. Type a command. You will type a command fdisk space /dev/sdb. Because why type SDB? You verify a hard drive that is add with the name of SDB. Again, I will show you. Fdisk space dash L. Here you see that the hard drive has added with a size of 2 GB, that is SDB. Okay, SDB. Type command fdisk /dev for partitioning only, /dev/sdb. Okay, just press enter. Before create a partition, p command just show a partition. Here no partition is created, so create a partition, press N. New partition, press N. Here we create a primary partition, press P. In a single drive you can create a 4 partitions, so we are creating only just one partition, press 1. For first sector you can type a first sector 2048 or just press enter. For last sector you can give a size in kilo, mega and giga. Actually I am taking a whole disk to add in a volume group. I will show you which volume group. First create a partition. Okay, for last section you can just press enter or you can give a size. So I am give a whole disk as a volume group. In the the whole disk will add in a volume group, so I just press enter. Okay, here you see that a partition 1 of type Linux and of size 2 GB is set. Just type a command P for print. Here you can see a partition, hard drive partition dev SDB1 has created. It's a Linux partition. Okay, for logical volume we will change a type. For type just type T. Okay, for LVM partitions, Linux LVM partitions, its hexa code is 8E, so we type 8E. Okay, its type converted from Linux partition that ID is 83 to Linux LVM partition that ID is 8E. To verify, just press P and enter. You can see that the ID is 80 and its file system is Linux LVM. Okay, to write a partition on a disk, just press W, enter. Okay, now the configuration of Linux LVM is almost completed. So we add first of all we want to add the increase the size of logical volume of partition F. So first convert this drive into physical volume. I've already write on a notepad file. The command is pv create dev SDB1. SDB1, why SDB1? Because its first part, its partition name is SDB1. Okay, pv create dev SDB1. Just press enter. You can see that the physical volume dev SDB1 successfully created. Okay, now add this physical volume into the volume group. Okay, to check the name of volume group, type the command of vgs. Here we have a single volume group with the name of CL_CentOS 7 -resize-LVM. Just copy the highlighted and write it on a notepad file. The second step is to add this partition as this drive into the volume group. Okay, the name of in this of this machine volume group is CL_CentOS 7-resize-LVM. Okay, extend the volume group by type the command vgextend. This is volume group, and add this drive into volume group. Drive is dev sd1 in my case. Just press enter. Okay, volume group CL_CentOS 7-resize-LVM successfully extended. Now again type the command. First you see we type a command vgs. Okay, its size is 952 MB free. Now see how much size will extend. Type a command vgs. You can see that now the volume group size is 2.93 GB. Okay, 2.93 GB. Okay, so we need to extend the size of logical volume app. To check the logical volumes, its command is lvs, and another command to take the complete path of app, it's lv display. Here you see a logical volume app. Okay, its logical volume app, its volume group is CL_CentOS 7-resize-LVM. its size before extend is 2.04 G, 2 means 2.04 GB. Okay, we need to take the complete path of logical volume app, so we type the command lv display. Okay, you can see that the complete logical volume path of app is this dev CL_CentOS 7-resize-LVM then app. Okay, just copy the path and put it. Okay, we add a 2 GB size of hard disk. Okay, we only add 1 GB size for the extension of logical volume app, so we add only +1. If you want to hold this, you can give the size of 2. So here I am only extend a 1 GB size to the logical volume of app, so I have just write 1 + 1G. The command to extend the logical volume is lvextend --L plus the size that you want to extend to the logical volume. In our case, its logical volume is app, and the complete path of the logical volume is dev /CL_CentOS 7-resize-LVM/app. Just copy and enter. In PuTTY, you can easily copy and press right click on the screen of PuTTY session. Okay, lvextend --L plus 1G /CL_CentOS 7-resize-LVM /app. That is a whole complete command to extend the logical volume partition app. Okay, just press enter. Okay, before note that before extend the logical volume side, its size is 2.04 GB. Okay, just press enter. You see that the logical volume app changed from 2.04 GB to 3.04 GB. Okay, just type another command, just copy the whole path and for resizing paste on it. For resizing, the command is resize 2fs is extension for file system, so you can use this command for resizing the logical volume of partition. So the whole command for resize is resize 2fs dash cl underscore cento7 dash resize dash lvm app. App is the logical volume, cl underscore cento7 dash resize dash lvm is the volume group. So just copy and right click on the putty session, resize. Just press enter. Okay, here you see that the result is file system at dash cn cento7 resize lvm app is mounted on app online resizing required. The file system is now 795648 blocks long. Now verify the size by type the command df space dash h capital T. Okay, now the size of logical volume app increased to 3 GB. Before we check the size is 2 GB of logical volume app. Okay, now its size is 3 GB of logical volume app. This is the whole demonstration of the video. You can verify by the another command that lvs. Okay, the logical volume partition is 3.04. You can type the command lv display. The logical volume app size increased from 2 GB to 3. You can see that 3.04 is almost 3 GB. Okay, thank you so much. I hope you enjoy and learn. For new videos, please like my channel and subscribe. Please like the videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.